Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel and to a new mini album tutorial. So today I have for you a full-size, large accordion full style book, and it is probably the easiest larger book you will ever put together. So I'm just giving you a quick walkthrough here, and you can see how all the pages are a full size. So this book measures 9 by 8 and it has a 6 accordion signature pages, and each one of those also has some different layouts, as you can see. So on this video we are going to be making this book together in no time. I also do have a cutting guide list for you if you would like to have all your pieces ready ahead of time. I will have the link to that PDF on the description box below. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, and now let's go ahead and make this together. So to make this book, we are going to start with 2 pieces of chipboard, and we're cutting this at 9 by 8. And then we're gonna cut another piece at 9 by 2 for the spine. And we are going to be using 65-pound cardstock, which is your lighter weight cardstock. And we're gonna use that to bind the chipboard pieces together. So once we have our chipboard pieces binded together in the cardstock, we are going to be switching to the heavyweight cardstock, which is the 110 pound. So I'm going to be cutting 2 pieces at 8 3/4 by 7 3/4, and we're going to glue those on the inside covers. So now we're gonna continue to the pages. So I'm still using the 110 pound cardstock, and we're gonna cut 6 pieces at 8 3/4 by 8 1/2. Then we're going to score all of those pieces along the 8 1/2 inch side at 1/2 inch and at 3/4 inches. And then we're just going to connect those pages together as an accordion fold. So we're just gonna start gluing these pieces from side to side. So now we're going to continue with the page layouts. So we're going to cut 4 pieces at 8 3/4 by 8 inches, and we are going to score all these 4 pieces at 1/2 inch along the 8-inch side. So then we're going to glue 2 of these pieces inside the front sections of the accordion fold. So I'm just going to open up the first page, and I'm going to be adding 1 on each side. And then we're gonna go to the back section of the accordion fold, and add 2 more pieces in there as well. So now we're gonna cut 4 more pieces, and these are going to be 9 by 7.5, and we are going to score these 4 pieces at 1/2 inch along the 9-inch side. And then we're gonna bring our accordion fold pages again, and I'm going to be adding these 2 pieces. And then we're going to repeat the same for the back as part of the accordion fold. So we are also going to open up 2 pages back there and add 2 pieces along the top. So then we are going to be using 2 pieces. These are going to be 8.5 by 11, and we are going to score at 5.25 and at 10.5 along the 11 inches, and we're just making 2 accordion fold outs. And so then we're going to bring back our accordion fold and add these 2 pages, again 1 on each side. Okay, so now we're going to bring our base. We're gonna bring the base and the accordion pages that we just put together, and we're going to be gluing these on the right side of the book. So I'm just using that 1/2 inch section to connect and add the pages. Now, to reinforce our pages, I'm going to cut another piece. This is going to be 8 3/4 by 2 inches, and we're gonna glue this piece right on top of that 1/2 inch to secure the connection. And to finish up, I'm just going to cut one more piece, and this is going to be 8 3/4 by 8 inches, and we're going to score at 1/2 inch along the 8-inch side, and we're just gonna glue this piece on the inside front cover. And there you have it. That is going to be our easy large accordion fold album. I think this book turned out super fast, quick, lots of room for pictures, no hinges, and what I love the most is the large layouts here. So many possibilities to continue to add features to this book. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support. Remember, I do have a cutting guide for this book as well, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.